Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to this channel, Skill Fade. Today as you are watching this video, I'm gonna do a Burst Fade Mullet. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any question or any idea, just let me know in the comment below. So I'm gonna start from the top. So he asked me just cut a little bit trimming from the top as you are watching me. So here I'm connecting the top to the side, and also at the left side, and I'm connecting top to this back. He needs just a little bit trimming. He doesn't want to make his hair too short. And now I'm gonna cut scissors over comb. So now I dry the hair to help me to the good fade for him. It's better to dry the hair. So here I started doing fade. So firstly I use guard number 1.5. So firstly with number 1.5, I'm gonna just show which area I'm gonna do a fade. Now I take the trimmer, so I'm gonna cut the bottom with trimmer. So second guard is number 1. As you are watching, you can see I open the lever, 3 of 4 open, just a bit lower. I'm cutting lower a bit below of the previous guard number 1.5. And you can see I'm just using the corner of machine. Now I use the guard 0.5 half, just a bit lower than guard number 1. As you can see, I'm just using the corner of clipper. Now I open the lever, 3 of 4 open. As you can see, I'm fading the second guard, which is number 1. Yeah, I fade it up. Now I'm using the guard number 1, lever 3, 4 open, and working on the guard 1.5. Guys, if you like this video until now, please hit the subscribe button, like this video and comment below. So you see now I just took off the guard. Now without guard I'm fading the first guard line, which is 0.5, and the lever is open, 3-4 open. Now I completely open, and you should play with the lever 3-4 open, 2-4 open for the last two guard line, which is trimmer line and 0.5. You can see I'm just using the lead corner of machine blade. So as I show you, now I put on the guard 0.5 and the lever is completely closed. And you can see, when I show you, I point you where you have to work with guard number 1.5. So, and this side you should do it as the other side that I told you. If you are watching this video until now, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below. So I'm gonna line up now with trimmer and also this side. And that's it, also the back V shape. So now I'm using this electric shaver, Beblies, just the bottom. Also this side. I'm using blade right now. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like this video and comment below if you have any question, and share this video to your barber's friend. Thank you so much. See you in next video.